I'll be showing you how to create a basic app in Xcode and export it to your phone for free. So, let's get started. First, you're going to want to open Xcode. You'll get this window. I'm currently using 11.3.1. Okay, next you're going to want to create a new Xcode project. Single view app. In this case, I'm just going to do YouTube test app. You want it to be Swift, not Objective-C, and storyboard. None of this needs to be checked. Next, choose a folder where you want it to save. Then wait for it. Okay, put it on the right simulator. So now, let's just quickly customize the launch screen. If this is your first time using Xcode, it should automatically show up as a iPhone 11. So let's go ahead and customize the launch screen with a label. Change the text to test app. Let's just quickly make this a bit bigger. Add some constraints. So and this is just so we can put it on any type of phone. Test app. And then we go into main.storyboard. It's just screen 1. I'm just gonna create a two view controller scenes, and we're gonna be able to use a button to switch between them. Add those two constraints, align it, quickly add a button, next screen. Keep in mind, if you have any app ideas, I will have a support email in the description that you can email in case you want to do if you have an idea for an app but you don't know how to do it. Those 3 constraints. Then to add a new view controller scene, type in view controller, drag and drop. Alright, now you're gonna want to hold down Control and drag from the button onto your view controller scene. Show. Then it should segue into there. Then let's add a label. Let's name it. Let's put some text in the label. Screen 2. I put that 43, so let's just put this at 43. Let's align it. Add some quick constraints. The constraints are always really important. Make sure it stays aligned. Let's put a button really quick. Let's go put it as back. I'll put that at 27, that's 34, that's fine. Height, width constraints, so that way, I always find it weird that whenever I put in the horizontal in the container, it just messes up the height and width of the button. Then let's add some spacing constraints. And then, if you're wondering how to put in an image, you would go into Assets. And then you would import your image. So in this case, I'm just gonna import the Vegatech logo. So then, in your main.storyboard, you'd go to the plus sign, and objects, image, import your image view, and select the image. In this case, it's going to be Vegatech logo. Go check out my website. Let's just quickly finish this up. Height, width, constraints, always very important. Vertical and horizontal constraints. The horizontal constraint looks terrible. Let's take that off. Take a constraint off. Go here. And then let's see, which one is it? Okay, there we go. That's the constraint I want to get rid of. Move it up a bit. Then, now, let's run it in the simulator, make sure it works.
Build started.
Yeah, I customized my voice. Bring the simulator up. Desktop. So that's in the main launch screen.storyboard right now. Give it a second. Whoa, okay. Our constraints are a bit messed up with the image and all. Oh no, I forgot to add that. Just quickly delete that image because it was messing up my constraints. Here's the thing, if you're gonna add constraints, you have to have all your features in there, then you add constraints. Okay. Now, here's my phone right now. To add your app to your phone, go up here and select your phone. In my case, it's called This Is Bob. Then run.
Build started.
You might have to accept. Okay. There we go. Keep in mind this app will only be able to run for about like a week or two because it's free. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I'll be coming out with another video in maybe about 3 or 4 days. And yeah, share this video, like, subscribe, and